The AI app builder wars are officially over. Mocha just killed the need for Firebase, Supabase, Vercel and Clerk, all in one click. Just one subscription, zero setup, and over 100,000 users in just weeks. The new era of app building starts here. So in this video, I'll show what Mocha is and how to use it. Make sure you watch this video to the end in order not to miss out on any details. So what is Mocha? Mocha is an all-in-one AI app builder. Mocha builds your full-stack AI app in minutes, back-end, front-end, hosting, and more. No code and no tech skills needed. What once took weeks and thousands of dollars now happens in minutes. So welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. On this channel, I bring you all the latest AI and online tools that creators like you are using to streamline their daily workflow. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button now. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can be the first to receive my videos when I make them. If you have any AI tool you need to make video about, let me know in the comments section. Now let's hear from Nick, the founder and CEO of Mocha.
Today we're announcing the launch of Mocha 1.0, the world's first complete product building platform.
Sorry about that. I'm Nick, founder and CEO of Mocha, even though this guy wants to be the CDO. We kept hearing the same promise: turn your idea into an app. But most tools stop at the surface. They only give you a mock-up. Then it's on you to figure out the hard parts: login, payments, hosting, database. And you start to wonder, can it handle real users? Can it get to real traction? That's where most projects die. But now we're changing this. Here's how it works. Say you want to build a marketplace for pet grooming. Pet owners can find groomers and schedule appointments. Mocha builds everything for you in moments. Not just a beautiful mock-up, but a fully functional app. You can request changes, update designs, add features. All you need to do is ask. Mocha is fully integrated. No need to connect 5 different services. You can build, design, and operate your app all from one place. You get a database, authentication, one-click publishing, all out of the box. Want to take it to the next level? Add AI features like image generation or chatbots. Add payments. Integrate maps. Send notifications to your users. Whatever your idea needs, Mocha can build. At Mocha, we deeply believe that creativity is an untapped resource. 99% of ideas, your ideas, never actually get built. We're on a mission to change that. We built Mocha to be the one platform where you can build your product and operate your business. Get started today for free.
Follow the link in the description of this video to start using Mocha. I told Mocha, I'm a restaurant owner and I want to build an app that tracks all my expenses, vendors, daily profit and loss, and growth projections. Within just a few minutes, Mocha has built an entire application for me. Not only that, the app includes database, backend, domain, and hosting. There is no need for manual configuration. How cool is that? Unlike other app builders, Mocha comes with Gmail login built in. Every app you create already includes Google authentication, so over 2 billion users can easily sign in with their Google accounts. With Mocha, every app you create comes with a free built-in database, all in one place. Managing your app's content is as easy as working in a spreadsheet. It's fast, intuitive, and makes the whole process feel like no-code heaven. With Mocha, updating your app happens instantly, right as you work. Forget GitHub. No messy integrations. Just a smooth, intuitive conversation with AI. Mocha integrates seamlessly with Stripe. Simply request a Stripe integration, and within seconds, it creates a smooth checkout process for monetizing your app. Just add your Stripe keys and you'll be able to start accepting payments immediately. So before now, you have to hire developers, pay over $10,000, wait for weeks hoping it works. You also pay separately for hosting, database, auth, etc. But now, just describe your idea, watch it build, deploy instantly, everything included, a ready-to-go app in less than 10 minutes. Mocha can build your dream app. The proof is in the prompt. Build your first app today. I have dropped the link in the description of this video. Just follow it and start building. Do you want more AI drops like this? Join other creators who are getting the latest AI tools, product breakdowns, and step-by-step guides delivered every week. Also note that I always include link to all the AI tools for content creators that I discuss on this channel in the description. Just check it out and start using the ones that apply to you. If you have any question or you have any tool you want me to give the step-by-step breakdown, kindly drop your comment below.